Are you tired of a keyboard that just can't keep up with your demands? Choosing the right mechanical keyboard can make a world of difference in your typing comfort and performance. In this video, we're diving into 5 of the best mechanical keyboards available in 2026, each offering unique features tailored to different users. Whether you're a gamer, a programmer, or just someone who spends hours typing, there's something on this list for you. Stick around to find out which one takes the top spot and why it might surprise you. Don't forget to check the links in the description for current prices and subscribe for more great content. EPOMAKER X Aula F75 Gasket Mechanical Keyboard. The EPOMAKER X Aula F75 Gasket Mechanical Keyboard is designed for enthusiasts looking for a blend of aesthetics and performance. This keyboard features a gasket-mounted design that provides an enjoyable typing experience with a satisfying bounce. With customizable RGB backlighting, users can personalize their setup to match their mood or gaming environment. It's perfect for those who appreciate both style and functionality, making it an excellent choice for home office setups or casual gaming. However, the keyboard lacks a wireless option, which might be a drawback for users who prefer a clutter-free desk setup. Redragon K668 108-key hot swap wired RGB gaming keyboard. Ranked 4th, the Redragon K668 108-key hot swap wired RGB gaming keyboard is a fantastic option for gamers on a budget. This model features hot swappable keys, allowing users to customize their switches without soldering, making it easily adaptable for different preferences. The vibrant RGB lighting adds a dynamic touch to any gaming setup, while the full-size layout ensures that every key is at your fingertips. Ideal for intense gaming sessions, it provides a tactile feel that enhances your gameplay. However, the build quality, while decent, may not match that of higher-end models, potentially leading to concerns about durability over time. A ULA F75 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard. At number 3, the Aula F75 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard stands out with its dual connectivity options, allowing users to switch between wired and wireless modes seamlessly. This versatility makes it a great choice for those who want to use it both at their desk and on the go. With ergonomic design features, including adjustable feet and a well-spaced layout, it's perfect for long typing sessions. The keyboard's customizable RGB lighting allows for a personal touch, enhancing your workspace's ambiance. A minor drawback is that the wireless battery life can vary depending on usage and lighting settings, which may require more frequent charging. Keychron K10HE Hall Effect Keyboard Wireless. The Keychron K10HE Hall Effect keyboard takes the second spot for its innovative Hall Effect switching technology, providing users with a unique typing experience that combines responsiveness with longevity. Perfect for creators and professionals alike, this wireless keyboard supports multiple device connections, making it a versatile option for anyone needing to switch between devices frequently. Its sleek, compact design fits well in any workspace, while the impressive battery life ensures you can work for hours without interruption. However, the lack of a number pad may be a concern for users who often work with numeric data. Logitech G413 SE full-size mechanical gaming keyboard. Claiming the top spot is the Logitech G413 SE full-size mechanical gaming keyboard, known for its exceptional build quality and performance. Equipped with mechanical switches that provide a tactile and responsive feel, this keyboard is ideal for gamers and typists alike. It features a durable aluminum top case that not only enhances its aesthetics, but also ensures longevity, making it a reliable choice for demanding users. The customizable RGB lighting adds flair to your setup, making your gaming experience even more immersive. One minor drawback is that, while it's great for gaming, it may lack some advanced features found in more expensive models, but it excels in functionality and durability. Thanks for exploring the top 5 mechanical keyboards with us today. Each of these models brings something unique to the table, catering to various needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or the best in performance, there's a keyboard on this list for you. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the best deals. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more informative content.